Second part of EC naming system will start with the hydrolysis enzyme. Hydrolysis, as the name indicate, this enzyme is going to break down the bond followed by hydrolysis of water. So if bond broken is ester, second digit will be 1, glycosidic will be 2, peptide it will be 3, and CN bond other than that of peptide bond it will be 4. So we will take an example for hydrolysis. We will take example for maltase. Maltase is going to break down maltose into 2 individual glucose unit, and in this particular reaction maltose is going to break down glycosidic linkage. Next is lyases. Lyases are different from the hydrolysis in ways that it is going to break down the bond, but it is not going to follow the hydrolysis of water. First digit of lyases are always going to be 4, and second digit could be 1, 2, 3 or 4 depending upon the fact which type of bond it is going to break down. If it is going to break down carbon-carbon single bond, it will be 1, carbon-oxygen single bond it will be 2, carbon-nitrogen single bond it will be 3, and carbon-sulfur single bond it will be 4. We'll take example for lyases, pyruvate decarboxylase. It is going to break down carbon-carbon single bond. Hence, EC naming system, its EC number will be 4.1.1.1. Next is isomerase. Isomerase are the type of enzymes which are going to carry out isomerization reaction. Second digit explains what is the type of isomerization reaction they are going to perform. 1, if it's going to perform reorganization. It should be reorganization. 2, if it's going to follow cis-trans isomerization. 3, if it is going to form intramolecular oxidoreductase activity. Third digit is going to explain about substrate, and fourth digit also explain about its substrate. We'll take example for isomerase, that is malate isomerase. Malate isomerase is going to convert malate into fumarate. So as you can see, it is cis-trans conversion. Next, ligases. Ligases are the enzyme that are just reversal of lyases. As lyases are going to break down the bond, ligases are going to reform new bond. Ligases, first digit will be of course 6, and second digit could be 1, 2, 3, 4 depending upon the fact which type of bond they are going to form. If they are going to form carbon-oxygen single bond, it will be 1. If they are going to form carbon-sulfur single bond, it will be 2. If they are going to form carbon-nitrogen single bond, it will be 3. If they are going to form carbon-carbon single bond, it could be 4. We'll take example for ligases, that is pyruvate carboxylase. Pyruvate carboxylase is an enzyme that convert join bicarbonate and pyruvate and convert it into oxaloacetate. So this is the example for last group of the enzyme, that is ligases. Now this system is also not free from limitations. EC naming system has limitation. First problem is isoenzymes. So isoenzyme, first let us understand what are isoenzymes. Isoenzymes are those enzymes which are different in their structure but they carry out same reaction. So problem with the isoenzyme is when you are going to find out the EC number for isomeric form of the enzyme or isoenzyme, you will get same EC number. So two isomeric form of the enzyme will have same EC number. So by seeing the EC number, you won't be able to understand what is the isomeric form of that particular enzyme. So that is the first limitation. And second limitation is by seeing the EC number, we don't get any information regarding natural source of the enzyme. Thank you so much. I guess lecture video will be helpful for you, and for any kind of doubt you can WhatsApp me or call me, and in the next video I'm going to send you the assignment. Thank you.